ExquisiteMAD, detailing a Bentley Continental GT Speed, startup, and drive. This is a look before any detailing was started, and as you can see, it's in need of some desperate TLC. This is during paint correction, polishing, also known as buffing. And this is the results after the paint correction and application of a ceramic coating. If you are interested in getting your automobile or aircraft detail, please contact ExquisiteMAD at 800-292-2341. Alrighty, so as you can see, and get right on in.